Where is he?
He's right there.
I'm trying to gather him in the... He's behind that one. There he is.
Come back, little bird.
Did he leave?
Oh, he's right here.
He just flew right between Sita and Kinsey.
Oh,
And they're standing like 2 feet apart.
Dad, he just flew up closer to you.
Where is he?
Right there. You see him up there on that branch?
Oh, look.
Kinsey will show you.
Right above me. Oh, he's saying hi. He's on.
Can't see him?
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's just right out in the
He's
open.
looking down to me.
Where'd he go? Okay, he's so camouflaged.
He's looking down at me.
Oh, there he is.
Who are you, little bird?
Hello, little papito. What are you doing, Kaka?
Hi.
Hi,
He's looking
Didi.
He's looking, yeah, he's looking down.
What are you
Look, they're
looking
right
at?
below him. I lost him again. There he is.
He's turning his head.
Este Papa carried a message to Nini. Tell him we love him so much.
Do you know our brother?
Tell Nini we love him.
A message bird.
What if he doodles on your face?
Whoa, look at that. What's that?
Hey, say what he just... Hey, say what... I'm recording. Say what he just did.
What?
What that bird just did.
He flew in between us.
He was sitting on top of that gravestone right there.
He went right there.
Sita and Kinsey walked about 5 feet from him. And we were worried he was going to fly away. And he just flew right between them. Flew up into the tree.
And now
Just-
he's right here. Next
now he's
to us.
just sitting right
Oh,
above
no,
him.
he's
Like,
there above us.
he's just right above him. Look at him. That little yellow belly caquito. Échale, papa. What are you
He
doing?
responds to your voice, Dad.
Échale, papa. What are you doing?
Oh, he's up there now.
Échale, papa. What are you doing, caquito? Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Tell your brother and sister you love them. Uh-huh.
Neener.
That's a good
look,
boy.
He's shaking.
He's a good boy. We love you, Cacalito. We love you so much.
Big old bird.
That's a big old bird. I should love that.
Hold on.
That's how close we are to this thing. See this right above us. And he's just over here cleaning himself, grabbing his Pinot.
Grabbing his Pinot.
Thank you, though.
Pinot head.
Échale, papa. What are you doing, Cacalili?
Caca.
Ahí papa. He's right above us. He looks farther on the camera. He's like 6, 7 feet away from us.
6'7".
Oh, I didn't mean to say it like that.
He's 6'7". Nini,
6'7".
do you know what 6'7" means?
Almost like 8 feet.
Kinsey, come look at this angel with me.
Échale, papa.
Come
You
back.
gonna clean yourself all day?
Come back to me.
Échale, papa. What are you doing, Chatichi? Nini. Nini. Nini.
Get away from me.
Nini. Échale, papa. Payne Lorenzo.
Oh, look, one of his feathers is like out on this
You
side.
remember
Is
when
he about to fall out?
remember when I was little?
Give us your feather.
Give us one, papito. Pull a feather out, Kaki. Pull one out for your mama. Even calls me by my name. Hi, Papa. What are you doing?
Dad, look, a butterfly.
Hey, you good boy. We love you. We love you. We love you, Papa. We miss you, but we know you're okay.
Hi, Nini.
We miss you, but
Say
we
hi,
know
Queenie.
you're okay.
Awaga, hi.
Oh, that's a good boy.
Are you a bird today?
We know you're okay. We know you're okay.
Have you been having a good Dia de los Muertos? Are you gonna come see us tonight again? Are you an angel?
No, he came and flew.
Nini, coming closer?
He just dropped something onto my hand, and then he came down and flew down and ate it off my hand.
Where are you going?
Oh, see, if you'd have had your hand out, I bet he would have landed on it.
Oh, he's gonna. I think he's gonna.
You looking at my hand? Yay!
Oh, I think I got that. I think I got it.
Yay! Come to me.
Oh,
To
there-
your sister.
It's okay, Papa. You can go with your brother and sister.
What are you doing?
You can say hi to them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Esta que le papa. What are you doing, Chachichi? Say hi to your sister too.
What,
You can say hi to your sister.
call me fat Sita? Nini, why are you going away from me? Why are you messing with me, Nini?
Tell him you love him, Sita.
I do love you, Nini. Why you always gotta mess with me? You want to sit on the bench with you? Who's Thomas? That one says Thomas too. Is his mother married?
Oh, it says the mother is married. 1893 to 1988.
She came inside. He came inside Sita too.
Nini!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That little papito.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, how amazing is that? He came and saw all of us. Oh, say hi to your mama, papito.
Nini, mom is at home. This is how we made
Oh, he almost landed on Kenzie's hand. Why'd you pull it back, papito?
this. He's scaring us.
Put it out.
There's sticks over there.
You won't let your brother land on your finger?
He's gonna bite it off. Oh, neener. Right there. Right there for me. Yes.
He said hi to his brother. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This little guy's been with us all this time, dude. Oh my. Now there's 3 of them.
Look, Dad, there's a monarch.
Where? And we think there's a butterfly over there too. We're just getting hit from all angles. We got Nini, Gramsci, and Pawpaw. No. We need to find a place. Not.